Next scene, the chubby orange cat uses the vacuum to clean the floor. Action. Cut. Baby, just stand aside and watch. Don't get too close. Again. Cut. Mr. Orange Cat, your quirky little ideas always give me headaches. Again. See? When you drop the weird tricks and just act, you actually pull it off! That's a wrap. Next scene, the chubby orange cat mops the floor. Action. Cut. Mr. Orange Cat, don't lower your head to wash the mop anymore. And baby, no bread just yet. Be good. Again. Cut. Hold up, Orange Cat. Are those 5 legs? This is a warm family comedy, not a horror flick. Again. Cut. Your acting feels way too forced. Just mop naturally, like you do at home. Again. Finally. Thank goodness. We're wrapped. Let's hit the party, folks. Next scene. The chubby orange cat hangs clothes on the line. Action. Cut. Mr. Orange Cat, what on earth are you doing? I really don't understand. Again. Cut. Orange Cat, are you seriously trying to make the baby hang the clothes? That's child labor, and it's illegal. Again. Cut. Wait, what is this? A levitation trick? Magic acts are not allowed in a normal household scene. Again. All right. Let's just call it a day. That's a wrap, everyone. Next scene, the chubby orange cat applies baby powder to the baby. Action. Cut. Mr. Orange Cat, not the face powder, goes on the body. Again. Cut. This isn't makeup. Rubbing it on the face won't make anyone look fairer. Stay focused. Again. Cut. What's going on today? Too many mistakes. No extra moves. Stick to the script. Again. Finally, that's the way it should be. All right, everyone, we're done here. Wrap it up. Next scene, the chubby orange cat blow dries the baby's hair. Action. Cut. Mr. Orange Cat, that's not a blow dryer, that's a fog machine. Look at all this smoke. Again. Cut. Wait a second, is that a scanner? Why can't you just use the blow dryer properly? Again. Cut! This time, it's the baby's mistake. Sweetheart, the blow dryer can be dangerous. Please don't touch it. Again. All right, passable. Let's call it a wrap. I need a smoke break. Next scene, the chubby orange cat covers the baby with a blanket as the baby drifts to sleep. Action! Cut! What? You think your fur is warmer than the blanket? That's hilarious. Again. Cut! Oh, baby wants a cuddle now? Adorable. Once we wrap, you'll get the biggest hug ever. Again. Cut! Chubby cat, you covered the baby's head. That's dangerous. Looks like you need a crash course in baby safety. Again. Perfect! That's a wrap, everyone. Let's wrap this up fast so I can still make it to my dinner date. Next scene, the chubby orange cat scoops hot milk from the pot into the cup. Action. Cut. Orange cat, the order's wrong. Listen carefully to my directions. Again. Cut. Why are you holding that kettle? The pot's already full of milk, and besides, the kettle is for water. Again! Cut. Not yet. It's not time for the baby to drink milk. And when it is, make sure you check the temperature. Again. Nice job this time. Really solid performance. Well done. Everyone wrap it up. Next scene. The chubby orange cat uses the shower head to rinse the bubbles off the baby. Action. Cut. Hold on. Props department. What's in that shower head? Water or foam? Again. Cut. Whoa, orange cat, why are you so hyped? Calm down. You're not some kung fu master. Again. Cut. I can't believe what I just saw. Did the baby just pull out an umbrella? No magic tricks in this scene. Again. All right. Finally, that's the right way. Good enough. Everybody wrap it up. Next scene. The chubby orange cat puts the dirty laundry into the washing machine. Action. Cut. Mr. Orange Cat, you've got fur, but you're not laundry. Or, wait, are you trying to wash yourself? Again. Cut. Stop right there. Don't go crazy on me. You scared the life out of me. Don't do anything dangerous around the baby. Again. Cut. Hey, not the laundry basket. That's a prop, not for the washer. You break it, it's coming out of your paycheck. Again. Finally, we survived. That's a wrap, everyone. Go home safe tonight. Next scene, the Shiba Inu brings the ball to the baby. Action. Cut. Shiba, you're supposed to drop the ball, not walk straight at me. Again. Cut. Hey, sweetheart, you just sit still on the blanket, okay? Next take, no crawling forward. Again. Cut. Give the Shiba a smaller ball. Safety first. We don't want it getting stuck. Again. All right, that's good enough for today. Not perfect, but usable. That's a wrap, everyone. Next scene, the chubby orange cat notices the crying baby, then looks around. Action. Cut. Well, that wasn't in the script, but hey, a cat chasing a mouse is just nature. Again. Cut. Oh, my baby, how do you cry and break character by laughing at the same time? No giggling on set. Again. Cut. Chubby cat, what are you doing? Your role is not to stop the crying with cat logic. Again. All right, fine. Let's wrap it up here. You're an animal actor after all, so I'll let it slide.